Hey guys! So today, we will be replacing my broken ignition coil connector plug. The part number is 90980-11885, which is for my XB or maybe same for most 1NZFE. Take up your engine cover to have access to the connectors. One of my connectors lock broke, so zip ties were the ones holding it for a minute. Carefully cut those. Remove the plug and remember the wire orientation so you know how to plug it in later. We need to remove this white terminal lock. There's gonna be a little tab on the middle that we need to push with a small flat screw or a picking tool, then pull it out. There's gonna be small tabs holding the terminals. Push it down so you can pull the terminals out. Mine is a little brittle, so it's going all over the place. Pull the wires out. Get your new connector plug and slide in your terminals. You will hear a pop on every terminal. That means the terminal is locked in. Install the white terminal lock. And then plug in your new connector. It's that easy.